R-O-A-S-T-G-I-B-B-Y-H-A-H-A-N-I-C-K-I. Roast beef. If you're looking for some people that will make you laugh or cry, then R-A-T-E, rate. S-U-B-S-C-R-I-B-E. Subscribe. Love, peace, roast beef. Come and watch us every week.
Word.
Hi.
Yo, what's up?
Ever wondered what would happen if you scarfed down Pop Rocks and then chugged soda?
Well, some say that when you do that, it will make your stomach explode. Whoa! That's what we're doing today. Okay, I'll go first.
God.
Okay. Don't forget to chug it, kitty. Open in. Do the Pop Rock. Run fast. Scarf it. Do it now.
All of it. Chug. Chug.
What point of chug don't you
Honestly,
understand? Do it. No, do it. Hold me back. Let me at it. Just a little trickles right there. A little fizziness next. Now spin around. Now spin around as fast as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now run around. Holy crap! Whoa there. Okay.
Watermelon for extra fluty flavor.
Fluty. Oh, that's a funny word. Fluty. It's pretty delicious.
Okay,
Ready?
you know what?
Oh my god. Does it tingle?
It's tingling.
Okay.
That smells so fruity.
It's gonna go right in my butt.
Ready?
Go!
All of it.
That's why I thought we needed a bucket, kind of.
Quick, someone get the water. She's gonna die. Just swallow it. You're supposed to swallow it, stupid.
Let me get a towel.
Don't do that again.
Well,
Is it tingly?
a little bit.
Okay.
Well,
Part 2.
now you know what happens when you chug Pop Rocks and pop.
My turn.
My throat's a little tingly.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh god, I'm scared. Like, whoa.
I've got to spin around. Oh yeah. 10.
No.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now run!
God.
Holy flies!
Wait, what?
Okay, Paula.
Go.
Paula, you need to stop drinking.
Who's Paula?
Paula Abdul, you know. Paula Dean?
Oh my god.
No.
The cook?
Ew. Okay, now shut up. Poppily.
Okay. Go. You alright, buddy?
Go down!
Little fizzy? Fizzy? Go!
Oh my!
much cleanup. Now on to our next skit. So, come back for part 3. We gotta clean up a little. So, yeah. Bye. Bye for now. Hi. Yo. What's up? Like, yeah. So, today for our show, we're gonna do Pop Rocks and soda because well. Probably next show. That's why I think scripts are better because we end up going like, so that's why I think it's so stupid. Exactly. That's why I think the scripts were better.
You're like, yeah, and
we look gay though if we don't just do it. What do you mean? I said that we would put it on tonight. That's why I told everyone to watch it tonight.
This will make a great blooper.
Yo. Hi. Don't even say anything. N-I-T-K-I-H-A. Shut up! No one can get this right! Not even me! So what exactly are you guys doing?
Drinking.
Oh. Rough night.
Shut up!